Previous video we have made some animation for the snake. Now what I am doing? Yes, I have to create a food. I will create food in this game, same in this game, so that it should eat the food. No. Let's create food in same function. If it will be good, no. I should initialize this at the first time. What I have to do is I don't need the food call. Let snake food. I want to create a function called. I need a one function. What I would create? Create food. What I need is I think we have 10 size. Yes, we have 10 size. I'll create ELLIPS ellipse food is equal to I think. Food is equal to sorry for this snake food is equal to I will create a vector of random. I should have made this random between two number. This is I should not make this because here I will show. Suppose this is a ball. If it move to this point, then it will be wrong. So when it move to this point, food should be between this position, between this 10th position. So I will make this here random. It will be I will make to from 10. It will calculate from 10 and it should go through wide minus 10 comma random same 10 comma height minus 10. This should be good. This should be good one. Now let's make this. When at the starting I should create food. This should be created. Now here on draw method I will create a food. After dot fill I will fill to 255 stroke to 255 2 and ellipse. I'll make ellipse to food dot x comma snake food dot y comma 10 comma 10. So for this 10 comma 10. I think this should be I will make 0 comma 2 255 comma 255 comma 255. I will make this green. Same thing this 0 comma 255 comma 255. What it will be? How we will say that. Now when I run this, this color is little bit changes, but I should make this 0 because it will give me white color. I don't need white now. Yes, this is green one, and yes, it is moving. No, this is moving, and it should pass like this. When it pass, and we have to make this. Now before this, we eat this food. Now I want to show you that. Clear all this. Control A, delete. Let's make this to full screen. Now suppose I have a snake here and next snake here, like this, joining both. If they are joining like this, all are joining like this. Now what was I'm telling that? Yes, suppose I have this snake, then when I have to add this is 10 position. So if I add the first string 1, then it will overlap this. So our speed should be of 10. All the speed should be 10, but it will be so fast. Let's make this 10. Speed should be of 10. You will get when I will make this. Oh, for this we have a solution to make this speed slow. Here we can make frame rate to slow. I will make this frame rate. Yes, frame rate to I will make the 5. This will be good one. Yes, this is a good one for us. It is moving. It should eat. On this position we should make this 8 because we could not overlap this completely and it is moving. Now let's create a function called add function. Add food. I will make food position. This will give the position of the food. Now I have to check this distance. We have to calculate distance. Let see distance of food. The food is equal to distance. This will take 2 parameter. Now we have to make. Sorry for this. I will demonstrate another. Suppose this is the first one we have created. Then we will make this to second one and this third one. Means when suppose this is the first one, it is moving to this position like this. When food came, we have to draw that in front of that. For this we have to make this for in front of this. If another came, we have to move this in front of this. Like this we have to place that head to the last position. Means this is the array. Sorry for this. Here is the array. Suppose like this 1 2 3. This is the 4 head. Suppose there are 3 head. Now this first one has been added, second and third. If I want to add the new one, it will be inserted on this position. This position, this will take to this position. So I will make this head. Means this is n minus 1 position. There are 4 means this is third position because index start with 0 and this will be 3 1 2 3. So this position should be made last one. So I will say distance between what I have to take. Let's make this dot snake body and what I have to make is this dot snake body dot length minus 1 dot x. We have to pass 4 component. Means suppose here is the suppose there are 2 point. If we want to calculate the distance between them, then we have to find x find point out this both x and y of this and this. So here I have to pass this, copy this and paste. This is y, and now food position dot x and food position dot y. This will be in the form of vector. So let's print food. Print food. The distance of food. Now before that we have to call this function. I'll call here. Before update, yes, before update I have to check if I'll call something snake dot. Let's first of all check so that we can print something like this. If print what I want to do, I think I will do something there. If snake dot eat food, and I have to pass snake food, and this should be passed. Let's print that. I think there should be distance. Oh, 203 here. Isn't it moving? Let's, what is happening? It was previously moving, so it was smoothly, and all the things are not getting there. Let's move this. Now this position is changing. Distance is minimum and minimum and minimum, and I think we have to pass through this position. Yes, there is one, so we have to make less than 2. If we make less than 2, then distance should be less than 2, so we have to add 1 floor distance 1. Now here where this snake is, first of all I will make this default. If default floor floor, I have told, if I told this, that it will only point we have here this in the point, it will take only this integer value 511 only when we use floor. Floor the food is less than 2, we will, so we have to eat as less than 2, we will make this for now. We will see later if we need. I think if it is, then I should add that. Let's make simply this dot snake. This is body dot push. I will create a factor with 0, 0. Now when it eat the food, new things will be made. The food is not defined. Sorry for this. The food. If it add, it should point to me in the position of, oh no, oh no. It is not eating. I need to print that position so that I should get knowledge of that. let's make this is less than 10 because of the radius. So let's print again. It is so long to play. This is make frame rate fast. Oh no, it is not eating. It is not eating. It is not eating. Let's. I should print that. I should print this if it eats or not. Print. What I have to print is eaten. Now this should give me the information of eating or not. Yes, it is giving me eaten. It has been eaten. But if it ate or not, let's print this dot. This dot is snake body dot. Sorry, this dot is snake body. I need to print. Let's run that. As this is the factor, yes, I have get x and y position, but it is not printing. It is not printing. Yes, it is printing, but I have not seen. Let's create vector of other thing. 20 comma 20. Let's erase that because it will take y position here. Now this should it. Yes, new position has been made. Again, this is 3. It should be 3. I think this should be 3. It is not 18 now. Why this is 18? Not 18. So it me again and again. Let's. It will be solved now. The main thing is we have to make what. If it has been made, we have to change that food position again. Now where is change food location? Create food location. I need to create a new location for that food. Copy and paste that. If this had been done, this should be great. But before that, we have to return here. True. Otherwise, it should return false. Now this is simple. Let's see if it change the position or not. It is so far from us. I think yes, position has been changed. Now it is not eating the food. I think something is error here. Now I will fix it. I have sort out that we have done mistake. Now first of all for demonstration where that body is. Now for this demonstration let's copy these things and paste here. I will comment this for now. I will just make here 0 because we are moving 0 position for now, not other position, because here we are updating for only 0, not other position. So it is showing me the last position. Now this should be made easier. Yes, now it has, let's print again this array. I think this print this, that is snake body. Now this should print when it eat the food, it should print. Now there are two position. When I eat this, it should give me the three position. Yes, three array has been given. Here let's see four. These are the position of this vector. Now in next video we will make that position to, means we have to join, instead of this position we have to join that to the head of this position. Thank you for watching this video. Next video we will join that tail.